So far this year, Bitcoin hit $109,000, then it tanked to 74K. Now it's hanging out in the mid 90K region. So what's next? Well, there are no shortage of talking heads making predictions, from Wall Street bros to perma-doomer Robert Kiyosaki to predictions from the average intelligence machine, also known as AI. Most 2025 predictions are still wildly optimistic. Let's run through the biggest ones. Okay, we got Tom Lee of Fundstrat, and he predicts $200,000 to $250,000 BTC. Lee's doubling down and says BTC will be the best performing asset of 2025. Better than gold, better than stocks. Boom. Brad Garlinghouse predicts at least a $200,000 Bitcoin. The Ripple CEO calls the number, quote, not unreasonable. Next, we got Frank Holmes of the US Global Investors, and he has a more modest base case of $120,000 to $150,000. Although he does say 250K isn't out of the question in a strong bull run scenario. Next up, we got Standard Chartered, and they're predicting $120,000 by summer, 200K by year end. They're pointing to Trump's tariff chaos, Treasury yield spikes, and BTC ETF strength as key catalysts. Next up, we have Finder's panel of 25 experts, and they are calling for an average target of $135,000 per Bitcoin by the end of the year. And by 2035, some of them are calling for $833,000 per Bitcoin. That's full-on generational wealth territory, ladies and gentlemen. Over to the machine. 6 out of 7 AI models are bullish, although moderately so, with forecasts ranging from 95K to 138K and averaging around $118,000 by December 31st. Next up, we have Anthony Scaramucci of Skybridge Capital, and he believes Bitcoin will hit $200,000 this year. Long term, the Mooch sees a $15 to $20 trillion BTC market cap. That's $750,000 to over $1 million per coin. Lastly, Rich Dad, Poor Dad author Robert Kiyosaki is calling for $200,000 Bitcoin this year. Kiyosaki says fiat money is fake money and Bitcoin is the escape hatch. So yeah, well, Bitcoin hasn't been up only so far this year. Big players are calling for bigger numbers. What do you think? Are these talking heads talking their books? How are you feeling about your Bitcoin position? Light me up in the comments, toss your predictions in the hat, and follow more Bitcoin and crypto insights.